Today, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Framer. This is a fundamental skill for building interactive websites, as buttons are what allow your visitors to navigate between pages or take specific actions on your site. First, head over to framer.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, click on the project where you want to add the button. This will open up your project in the Framer editor where you can start making changes. Now that you're inside your project, it's time to create the button itself. Press the F key on your keyboard. This is a quick shortcut that allows you to add a frame which will serve as the foundation for your button. After pressing F, click and drag on your canvas to create the frame in the size and position you want. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away, as you can adjust it in the next step. With your frame now on the canvas, look over to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find the Properties panel where you can fine-tune your button's dimensions, adjust the width and height values to match the size you envision for your button. Once you're happy with the size, double-click inside the frame. This action allows you to add text directly into it, so go ahead and type in whatever label you want your button to display, such as Learn More, Sign Up, or Contact Us. Next, click on the frame again to select it. Scroll down on the right side panel until you see the color option. Click on it and choose a color that suits your design and complements your website's overall aesthetic. This step is crucial because the color of your button can significantly impact how noticeable and clickable it appears to your visitors. Now comes the most important part, making your button functional. Still in the right side panel, look for the field labeled Link To and click on it. Here you have two options. You can input an external link if you want the button to take visitors to another website, or you can link it to another page within your current Framer project. Simply paste the URL or select the page you want to connect to. Once you've set up everything and you're satisfied with how your button looks and functions, click Publish in the upper right corner. This will make your changes live on your website and your button will be ready for visitors to interact with. And that's it. You've successfully added a functional button to your Framer project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.